take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, erase all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
So we're currently leaving Lake Vänern in Sweden and heading southwest toward Denmark. Don't know where we're going to stay yet. We'll see where the road takes us. It's a gorgeous sunny day again and the temperature's rising every minute. Fantastic. Happy with the location?
Yep.
Going for a swim?
No.
So, we've done it again. We're on our way southwest back toward Copenhagen. It was up quite early this morning, so we've decided to pull over. We found this by pure accident. I was looking for a campsite actually to get some water and that for a shower, but we've managed to find this. A nice little location in the middle of some farmland somewhere. No idea, but I will find it and I'll point it out on the map for you. So we're going to relax, maybe have a bathe in the swim shower lake there. Or we'll set the shower up at the back, we'll see.
Ah, yes.
There you go.
Sounds good.
No, does it?
Yeah.
So you don't want cold water?
No.
You just want to...
Nice shower.
Nice shower. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll set that up.
Okay, so we're got to get some washing done. We haven't managed to get to a campsite, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. We've got our laundry powder and Tony there has gone to get me some water, and isn't he looking good? He's got the water. I've actually given the clothes a wash, but this is just to give them a rinse. And, yeah, daily life chores, they don't leave you when you're away.
As Claire's set up the seating area for tonight, which is pretty cool, overlooking this lovely lake. So we can sit down there, have something to eat. Them chairs are the foldable camper chairs, they're really cool. Don't take up any room at all. Right, what else have we got planned? So, we've got a resource there, some fresh water. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a shower. So we've got ourselves a portable shower kit down there. They're about £20. You can buy them, and they use a very similar pump to the wall pump that we use inside the camper 12-volt system. And what we've got down here is we've got the portable gas stove, pop-up tent, and a 15-litre water jerry can. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some warm water. I'll cook some warm water up on the stove in the big pot, and then use the shower pump to have a shower. I'll show you that as we set it all up. So what we've got here is Claire's going to demonstrate how to open a shower stroke toilet pop-up tent. So there you have it. The water's on the boil. We'll transfer that hot water to that bucket, and then the shower simply operates. It's plugged into the back of the van, and it simply operates by holding that down. Now, I'm sure you'd like to see one of us having a shower, and that's probably going to be more Claire than me, but unlucky, you're not going to find that on this channel. You have to go to one of the American ones. They're pretty good at that. A bit of thong. Bit of shower thong. Whereas Claire Bridget Jones. There you go. So that's our little shower setup, along with Freddie. So,
I'm winning.
Claire's winning. It's time for Ludo. Why do we play Ludo and not chess, or not Scrabble, or not Trivial Pursuit? I'll tell you why. Because after a hard day's driving, you want to play a game that's semi-enjoyable, where you don't have to think.
Get in!
No! I do not believe that, and nor will you folks. See? Bloody 6.
Hey.
Right.
She's off.
She's off. So we've moved on from our lakeside location where we were last night. We've headed further west, and we're now on the coast of Sweden, overlooking Denmark. Claire's doing a little bit of photography today, so she thought she'd put her anorak on. Play the part. Why don't you get one of them body warmers with all the pockets on?
It's breezy. You're horrible
Breezy.
to me.
I'm not horrible to you.
Oh.
I like your anorak.
Good. You bought it for me.
Did I? I can't remember that.
Listen.
Oh, listen. There you go. She's name dropping there. When we travelled around Switzerland and Italy, I treated her to an anorak. I'm nice like that. So that was a really nice afternoon walking around, taking some time away from the van. So yeah, if you're in this area or you've just come over from the bridge from Copenhagen and you fancy stretch your legs, this area at the back here is a big nature reserve type place and loads of footpaths and walks in there you can go. So we're going to push out of Sweden now and make our way back into Denmark so we can have a good old look around Copenhagen. Hopefully find somewhere to stay tonight, preferably a campsite, but we'll see. I don't fancy parking up in the middle of a town. So yeah. But goodbye Sweden, Denmark, here we come. Just arrived at the campsite at Copenhagen, and it's amongst an old wartime bunker. It's really cool when you go inside to where the toilets and everything are. And if you're getting that, it's all the old bunker. This is about 5 clicks outside of the main city centre. There's all your facilities and everything there. Little kitchenette area. Place where you can sit and eat in the back. Yeah, done it pretty cool. I like this. Try and find the station and catch the train into the centre. I think that seems like the most logical thing to do.
Yeah.
We're certainly not going to be able to drive and park Freddie anywhere. So coming out of the campsite, just crossed the road straight away. And there's a little wooded area that we're walking through now. Follow that right the way through to the end, turn right, and the train station is just there. Still wandering around in Copenhagen. Glorious. And we're just going to go and have a look over in the Tivoli, which is some kind of theme park or amusement park. Claire, you're paying.
Yep.
Oh, Claire, what would you describe this place as?
A miniature theme park.
Yeah, right smack bang in the middle of Copenhagen. I don't know if you can see any of the rides in the background over there. Through the trees. I think I'm going to go on this next. Tell me what you think of this. certainly know how to do candy floss here, that's for sure. Inside this thing. There's shows and things like that on later, so we'll have a little hang around and see what goes on. And if not, we'll see you back at the camper.